configuring work orders in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to enable the work orders module and decide how strict it is: assignment, sign-off, and supervisor review. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Work Orders from your dashboard. This page controls whether the work orders module is turned on for your organization and how strict it is once it's running. Toggle Enable Work Orders on to make the module available across the system. A Work Orders tab appears in Navigation, and a new layer pill appears on the planning calendar. Once it's on, decide whether every work order needs to be assigned to a specific person before it can start, or whether it can sit unassigned in a queue for anyone to pick up. Turn on Sign-Off Required if you want an explicit confirmation from the assignee before it's marked complete. If you want supervisors to review completed work orders before they're considered fully closed, enable supervisor review here too. Regulated work like CIP or QC with inspection always needs supervisor approval regardless. Save. These settings apply the moment you save them, so confirm your team's process before you turn on strict requirements. You can always loosen them later if they slow work down more than they help.